Today we're talking about 5 podcasting hacks tailored specifically for busy female entrepreneurs like you. So number 1, batching. So you can batch your recordings, you can batch your editings, and you can batch your publishings. The key to managing a podcast while being an entrepreneur is maximizing your productivity. So instead of recording one episode at a time, consider batch recording. You can dedicate a day or 2 each month and record multiple episodes. And this way, you have content lined up for weeks in advance. If it doesn't suit you, you can make a simple process where you can do one step at a time, record, edit, publish yourself. And I have a workflow that works very well, and it takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to record and edit and publish the whole half-an-hour episode. So if that's something that you would be interested in, just let me know by messaging me with the word workflow and I can get it for you. Number 2, outsource your editing. Editing isn't for all of us, especially if you want a really slick production. These Thrive with Lives in 5 are basically raw edits. It's just on the fly, on the go. So it depends what you want. You can edit quite simply with basic topping and tailing, a few ums and ahs and pauses here and there, improving the audio quality, which I would really recommend unless you've got an amazing quality microphone and maybe a Rodecaster Pro as well. If you think that editing are just too overwhelming, time consuming, and you want it to be really good, you can outsource it. It doesn't take too long. Now, I use AI tools like Descript, like describe with PT at the end, and Alitu, ALITU. Together, they create a great system for me that I use in my workflow. So just message me with workflow and I can tell you about that. So number 3, create templates for your show notes, your episode descriptions, and even your scripts if you use them. They provide a consistent structure and save a lot of time. Tools that you can use to automate your episode descriptions, your guest information and everything is using a host like Captivate FM, which is really helpful for that. Number 4, utilize scheduling tools. So there's several podcasting platforms that allow you to schedule your episodes ahead of time. This can be a real game changer. Once your episodes are recorded and edited, you can schedule them to be published on the desired date. And this way, even if you're busy with your business or get overwhelmed or distracted, your podcast will run smoothly. If you're somebody with ADHD or somebody with health problems and the whole thing is a bit overwhelming for you, if you schedule it, you just have to do it, warts and all, whether you're feeling like it or not, and it just helps you. It gives you that impetus to get up and do it. Also, your live audience will be waiting for it as well. Repurpose content. This is number 5. It's so easy, particularly if you go live first with your podcast, live streaming, to repurpose into loads of pieces of content. You can use AI tools. You can even create courses from your podcast. Why not? You're producing this great quality content, so why not use it? Why not monetize it in that way? And it serves all sorts of different audience. They're different listening styles, they're different lifestyle choices. So whoever your audience is, whatever their lifestyle and choices are, repurposing content into short form, long form, written, graphics, video. There's so many amazing AI tools there to do that. Podcasting is an art and a science. As you grow and evolve, so will your methods. So don't forget to keep learning and experimenting and going and doing it. Counting your blessings, taking a deep breath and pressing record. And if you want details of my podcasting course or consulting, message me with the words, I want to scale with podcasting. You can scale. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.